This is the First Alert Forecast from meteorologist Carrie Allen.
As mentioned earlier, today we set a record high temperature for Lubbock at 103 degrees, breaking the old record of 100 set in 1943. And Childress hit 110 today. That shattered their old record of 103, so a hot day. Now, I have a few thunderstorms showing up. Super Doppler HC3 tonight start us off. And you can see Lubbock itself still dry, but we have storms developing in the Panhandle, and they've been progressing to the south over the last few hours. We're optimistic that the northern South Plains could get a few storms a little bit later on. And you can see right now, when you zoom in to the north, Amarillo with a thunderstorm over the northwest part of their city along I-40, and there's where I-27 comes together. To the north, Dalhart near the community of Vega, north and west of Hereford. These are all moving to the south, so we hope that some of this activity holds together long enough. You can kind of see that they're drifting southward. That maybe Tulia, Dimmitt, Muleshoe, Plainview. You could see a few thunderstorms tonight, and if it holds together even longer, perhaps Lubbock. Though we will mention at this point they may die out before they make it here, just like they have been doing all summer. So we'll watch it. Nothing severe out of this, but just some precipitation potential, which we will not turn away. We'll look at instant data, and it's hot outside tonight. 89, south wind at 9 miles per hour. Dew point very low at 46. Some of that rain will not reach the ground because of that. Humidity at 22%. Our maps. This is Irene. Actually, we're starting with Jose. This is a new one. Tropical storm Jose, and it's not that cloud mass, it's this little bitty thing up here that's showing up. Now here's Irene, which impacted New England today with the gusty winds and flooding rainfall. Irene will continue moving off into the Atlantic, into Greenland and Iceland, and kind of get hung up in this general area. Meanwhile, Jose, which is further to the east, will continue to track into the open waters of the Atlantic and weaken over the next few days. So it appears that Jose will not threaten the U.S. 92, the current temperature out at the airport. Southwest winds tonight. The almanac, there's your record, 103. 71 this morning. 100 is your old record. 90 showing up off the Cap Rock. Some 80s to the north. These are high temperatures today. Austin at 110. San Antonio 110, the entire state of Texas. Houston at 107. Look at Corpus Christi, 107 degrees. When you're close to the ocean like that, it is very rare to see high temperatures that hot along the Gulf Coast, which it was today. Still 90s for a good portion of Texas, and there are your storms to the north. May impact our highs because the cloud cover with this thunderstorm activity, even if it doesn't rain, may hold our temperatures down a degree or two. We're not talking freezing weather, but it will drop maybe below 100, we hope. Right now, temperatures will stay above the century mark for most of West Texas with high pressure in control, and our raincast indicates some of those showers holding together through 5 or 6 in the morning, especially northwestern areas. Notice the clouds linger, and we have that opportunity for a few isolated storms tomorrow. So I think tonight's our best bet, and maybe a stray storm tomorrow into Tuesday. Then we wait until Wednesday to see a big change. Overnight lows 60s and 70s. A warm night coming up because of the cloud deck. We will not drop off much. Near 100 tomorrow. I've dropped temperatures a little bit because of the clouds. Maybe a little bit of rain. And there's your 7-day. We warm up Tuesday. Hopefully cool off a little more significantly Thursday and Friday and into the weekend next weekend, where computer models have us in the lower 90s. Which would seem quite cool compared to what we've seen this summer. So hopefully some rain tonight for some of us.
Thanks so much, Carrie.